Hi there. I hope I didn't get you in a bad time because I wanted to talk about something important. I wanted to talk about imposter syndrome. We all have it, regardless of how many trainings, how many certifications, how many people you have in your corner encouraging you. There's always gonna be that smidge of a little voice telling you that you're not enough. And let me tell you what, imposter syndrome is just our subconscious response to the feeling of unworthiness and not feeling enough. I'm going to tell you two things. Number one, the opportunity, the situation, the experience will not be in front of you if you were not ready for it. Believe me when I say that whatever you feel that you're not enough because you're in front of it, because of course it always happens that we feel um, with less courage right when we're about to jump out of the cliff. um, but that situation will not be in front of you if you were not ready. If you're in front of that situation, is because you in some way, shape, or form are ready for it. Number two, use imposter syndrome as a tool to keep your focus. Have you ever been in a situation when someone is in such a habit making the exact same thing every day that they are careless? I don't want you to be that person. The opportunity is in front of you because you are capable of doing it, but you also have to keep your focus and your attention into what you're doing so that it turns out the best. So I want you to reframe a little bit that little voice behind you that you're not good enough, or who do you think you are, or whatever version that voice takes in your life, and use it to pull out all of your experiences that have prepared you for the moment that you are currently facing that is triggering an imposter syndrome, and refocus and give it the best of you so that you can prove that little voice from your subconscious wrong. And not only that, it serves also as a baseline for any future opportunity that you may face in the future based on the outstanding results that you have achieved.